This 2022 Vanleigh Beacon 34RLB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Vanleigh is 34 feet 8 inches in length and features a dove gray, chestnut interior, sleeps 4, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, awning, oven, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, slide-out, leveling jacks, external shower, air conditioning, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Vanleigh Beacon 34RLB is 13,520 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.